Komshibenta ban bodien ia ke jingya chaprang bat ke jingpentrikam iki scheme bo fair jangka saka padeng hari bhai kebala sha jet kumka aspirational district ha ke jala meglea menteri khana ka saka padeng bo pej ek ministry of earth science bat ke ministry of science and technology u dr jitendra singh mentara singh la plong ye ke jingelang bishar bunia bat ke key officer jangka tanat sarkar bo fair kariba district ia kani jinglang la pulang ha North Eastern Space Applications Center nesak omyam hakba Dr. Jitendra Singh ula bishar benya ia gejingya chaprang juki scheme bala pentrikam ha district bat banya krenru halor kilat kelinti ban penklan chuchu ia gejing trikam juki tanat sarkar khnang ban poi shakipai ba nagarkom ke bakham saiso ha kani jinglang lai don langru do deputy commissioner garibhai Dr. Abhishek Saini u Superintendent of Police u Giri Prasad u Additional Deputy Commissioner u ba Jonathan Chilla rengkat bagi kli officer na kitana sarkar ba phe jong district kibal ai ke jingya tho pajba halor ke jinglong jingman ba ke jingya chaprang jong ki scheme bala pentrikam ha ki benda ba phe jong themri boy.
So percentage of low birth weight babies is 5%. And percentage of live babies who are weighed at birth, sir, 100% are weighed. Then, sir, the number of fully immunized children, that is around 82%, sir. Yes, champions of change. Yes. So the rankings of performance, which we have got multiple times here, Next. So TB cases notification rate is there, sir, that is 120% this time, sir, because the target was somehow lower, so that's why it has gone up to 120% plus many. So the TB Mukt 100 days campaign was there, so many asymptomatic cases were also got, sir. And then, sir, TB treatment success rate among the notified TB patients, that is 88%. And proportion of these sub-centers or PHCs that have been converted into health and wellness centers is 100%, sir. Total 47 facilities we have and all have been upgraded into health and wellness centers. Next.
Do your ranking in the dashboard, and that is what is being monitored also by the engineer. But nothing prevents you from adding value. CSR में कुछ एक्स्ट्रा चीज बढ़वा लो. If you have to score over other counterparts, other collectors. जैसे STEM क्या है और CSR ऐसी जगह लगवा रहा है जहाँ आपके पास गवर्नमेंट का सोर्स ना हो. जैसे STEM की लैब्स एज ए मैंडेट ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट आपका टेंडर कर रहा है, उसको कहिए ये मेरे डिस्ट्रिक्ट में लगा, वो लगाएगा, उसको सरकारी फंड मिल रहा है उसके लिए थ्रू डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ साइंस. तो आप यही CSR जो NTPC का है, ये आप कुछ और लगा दीजिए. You can have some mobile teleclinic, something like that. So next time when you make the presentation, you can towards the end say, so these were the various parameters laid down in the aspirational district program. इसको क्या कहते हैं ADP. Now in addition to that, what we have humbly tried to do is as follows. So that